Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present my final activity of Advanced English. I'm Jessica Paola Caicedo Sarmiento. I'm studying Industrial Engineering and I'm in 5th semester. Today I'm going to talk about the Holy Father Francis at first. Francis, also called Francis at first, original name Jorge Mario Bergoglio, born on December 17, 1936, in Buenos Aires, Argentina. The Bishop of Rome and the leader of Roman Catholic Church elected in 2013. He was the first pope from the Western Hemisphere, the first from South America, and the first from the Jesuit order. These are some of the celebratory phrases of our Pope Francis. Whoever wants to be great, serve others, not to use the others. Courage is needed to achieve peace much more than to waver. The yield in pockets is not of much use when there is poverty in the heart. Priests are like airplanes. They only make news when they fall. It hurts to see a nun or a priest with the latest car model. Why do I admire him? Why do I admire Francis Pope? Because he lives what he thinks and thinks what he says. He speaks to the heart, not like a politician. I like his good mood. It is capable of impacting all over the world. Cares about people. His humility characterizes him. He preaches being an example, and he's a good Argentinian custom. He loves very, very much his country and his people, and that's what I admire him. One of the message that he gave to us is the following: have the courage to be truly happy. For your attention, thank you very much.